going to live in London.
Hi, welcome to a foreigner in the Philippines. We're here in UCMed Hospital, and we just have Terrence's ultrasound for the prostate. And so far, it's according to the doctor, it's normal because of his age.
Yeah, the idea is that at my age, 90% will have an enlarged prostate. The reasons for that will be found later.
Yeah,
but
because
it looks like she may have to be married to me for another 20 years. Who knows? It's not a nice thought, is it?
no, this is a joke. Yeah, so we're gonna try to find the urologist doctor and see the result, and hoping for another advice. But if we cannot get today, then we will be coming back next week for that, because we're out of time. We have other things to do. Yeah, so please like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned.